There's a group of islands in Russia that are so remote that woolly mammoths roamed here when the pyramids were being built, and you can still find their perfectly preserved remains today. Russia is no stranger to isolated islands, but these might just be the most isolated. Meet the Anzhu Islands, part of Russia's new Siberian Islands archipelago. These are some of the most isolated pieces of land on Earth, floating in the Arctic Ocean between two frozen seas. Nobody lives here. You're about 1,000 kilometers from the nearest city, and you're surrounded by sea ice for 10 months of the year. But even in these fascinating islands, there's one island that stands out, known as Zemlya Bunch, also known as Bunch Land. Now, despite being so far north, this island looks like a desert, completely flat, sandy, vast, and barren. No vegetation, no signs of life, just endless sand dunes right in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. Strangely, because most of this island is only 8 meters above sea level, it's often flooded during storm surges. Scientists are still baffled by how this geological oddity exists. The entire archipelago of the Anzhu Islands sits on permafrost up to many meters thick. And this permafrost has perfectly preserved mammoth remains, some over 25,000 years old. Archaeologists recently discovered evidence of the northernmost Paleolithic settlement here. These were ancient humans who were butchering woolly mammoths 25,000 years ago at the literal end of the world. Thus, these islands remind us that in the furthest corners of our planet, there are still places that hold secrets. Ancient deserts surrounded by Arctic ice and perfectly preserved giants from our past. Who knows what other secrets lie on the Anzhu Islands? And as always, if you like content like this, give this video a like. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.